Hey, this is Dr. Habib. Let's talk about nuts and seeds that are good for blood pressure. So the highest amounts of magnesium comes from cashew and almonds. Now, why is magnesium so good for blood pressure? Well, calcium causes vasoconstriction. Calcium causes muscles to contract. Now, your blood vessels are made of smooth muscle. So when you take magnesium, you compete with calcium. So you relax the smooth muscles in your blood vessels, lowering the blood pressure. In addition, seeds like pumpkin seeds. So pumpkin seeds are particularly high in magnesium. So the beauty of seeds and nuts is that they have high monounsaturated fats and a little bit of fiber. The whole combination is very, very effective for lowering blood pressure. If you must use salt, then use colorful salt. Colorful in the form of, say, Himalayan salt. They will likely have more minerals. Sodium in the salt is the problem. Sodium retains fluids and your blood pressure rises. Other minerals, like the Himalayan salt, may have additional minerals which are actually possibly beneficial for you. It's the sodium that's the problem. So alternatives might be K salt. K stands for potassium. So potassium chloride is a different form of salt. So ideally raw nuts, because once you roast something, you may be altering the fatty structure, creating saturation. Nuts are not as vulnerable to heating as much as, say, saturated animal fats, which become toxic particularly when they're burnt. But fats ideally should not be burnt. It's like olive oil. When you have it raw, you get the full benefit. If you cook with it, not so much. So here are some more foods high in magnesium. So grains, particularly grains with good amounts of fiber like quinoa, and grains like buckwheat, they have good amounts of magnesium. Again, magnesium is good for lowering blood pressure. In addition to that, you also have beans, whether it's black beans, whether it's pinto beans, kidney beans, all legumes are high in magnesium, high in fiber, high in protein, low glycemic index. So really, the wholesome foods that are high in magnesium are not only good for blood pressure, they're really good for total body health.